Let's talk about a few tips and tricks to facilitate building those positive relationships with students and their families, as well as possibly the employers that you're supporting. Demonstrate care and respect the students that you are supporting. Provide them with positive feedback. That positive feedback is going to help motivate them to want to do better. Laugh and have fun. Although this is your job, you should have fun doing it. And having fun will show the student that you support that it is important to have fun even while you're working. Praise them in public, but be sure to correct them in private. That, along the lines of respect, is huge when building that relationship with them. Remember to always be passionate about what you do. You are there to support them, and it is important that they see the passion in you because that's what you're modeling for them. Create a safe and supportive environment. That safe and supportive environment is going to allow them to trust you, to believe that you are there to support them, and let them feel comfortable expressing their wants and needs. And when you're able, offer them choices. Let them know that this is their life. These are their decisions, and they should have a say in what happens.